Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! My first video in the year 2020 is going to be me making a new cosplay, which is Black Cat slash Felicia Hardy, and I am so excited to finally getting around to doing this cosplay after seeing this beautiful jet black shiny spandex. I was eyeing this thing for a whole month, and then we got white fur trim on sale, and I couldn't resist on getting it with the 50% off perk that I had from work. So sit back and relax and see how I make this cosplay. And that is it, guys, on how I made my Black Cat slash Felicia Hardy. I am very happy on how well this turned out, and I can't wait to do a showcase video for you guys sometime in the future. Unfortunately, there are no cons until March, for me anyway, and it's too damn cold to be wearing this suit right now. So if you guys liked my time-lapse video on how I made this cosplay, give this video a nice like, and if you like to follow me in my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see all the other cosplay content I will release in the future, and other nerdy content and makeup stuff as well. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.